Want to add extra security to your WhatsApp account? With a Passkey, you can log in securely without needing passwords or verification codes. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to set it up in just a few steps. First, open WhatsApp on your device and make sure it's updated to the latest version. Next, tap the three dots in the top right corner and select Settings from the menu. Once inside Settings, look for Account and tap on it. On the Account page, scroll down and tap Passkeys. Here, you'll find the option to create a passkey. Before proceeding, you can read a brief description of how passkeys work. Now, tap Create Passkey, and on the next screen, you'll see your registered phone number and the email that will be linked to your passkey. Tap Continue to move forward. To complete the setup, WhatsApp will ask you to verify your identity using face recognition, fingerprint, or your screen lock. Once verified, your passkey will be created instantly. You've successfully set up a passkey on WhatsApp, making your account more secure and easier to access. If this tutorial helped, hit the like button and subscribe for more WhatsApp tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.